In the latest message that I gave to uh, my website and to all my friends, I was talking about the importance of kinesthetic awareness. And I want to tell you an interesting story, something that happened to me 35 years ago, maybe actually 37 years ago. My car broke down on the way from Sacramento. I remember that before it broke down, I was in a trip in the American River. Sitting here in San Francisco, where even in the hottest days we have nice breeze right by the beach, I couldn't imagine how hot it is in Sacramento on a hot day. It is hot. So it was wonderful to have a raft trip where they also allowed us to swim. So I swam. Except there was a place where they say, don't swim there. It is a deadly place. The whirlpools are too big. Guess what? I missed the place and started to swim there. So I was dragged by whirlpools down and stones started to hit my back. And I was so happy that a raft pulled me out. That was great. Everybody was happy, except I had a long scar or sore all over my spine. So all my spine was sore and I had so much back pain, I can't even imagine. Well, I was lucky because my girlfriend then, who was also a very good body worker, she studied with me. Her name was Maureen, and she massaged my back for several hours. So then I was mobile. So I did not have my car. We had to take the bus back to San Francisco, and I had to take my car another time. So I was about to walk for my home, which was pretty far from my office, unless you have transportation. And I did not know that actually there was a bus that could take me to a train to get to my office. Guess what? Next day, as I needed to work on somebody with great back pain, as I was stepping on the floor, I had tremendous back pain. That back pain was so strong that it probably would put anyone else in the hospital for a few weeks. And then I remembered what I always teach and what I said to myself. Foot goes first, and visualize the foot is lifting the leg. And I was walking heel to toe, thinking that my foot is lifting the leg, lifting my arms up as if my hands are lifting my arms. So, when I made the first step, it hurt. The second step, it hurt terribly. The third, it was really impossible until I said to myself, foot goes first, and it started to roll heel to toe. Hand lifts the arm. So in a crisscross way, I would move foot, arm, foot, arm. And my pain completely disappeared. I was still fatigued as I was walking 8 blocks to catch the train, the El Taravel, it's called. But I was so relieved that I didn't have that pain. And so this is a real good example of deep kinesthetic awareness. You feel what needs to be done. And in this case, it made sense because as I was lifting the leg and thinking of the independence of the leg, I stopped using muscles of the abdomen and muscles of the back. And it saved me from tremendous pain that could cause a lot of problems. That's how so many people end up having surgeries and yearly visits with the chiropractor, many visits with massage therapists, until we start to gain consciousness of what really works for us.